Alright, so we're gonna hop in our front viewport here. And we're gonna create a small plane. Just do it somewhere in the center here. Drag it out with your left click, then right click the two segments here on the right, and right click in the viewport, and right click and unfreeze all. Alright, and now what we want to do, get this right in the top center. Okay, hit Alt W. If you want to change your viewports, you click the plus sign, go to configure, go to layout, and I got this one right here. Hit OK. Just reset it on me. F3, okay. F3 in all the viewports. F4, F4, okay. And in our left viewport here, select the plane, move it to the front of our guy. Okay, in our front view here, we'll leave this one in perspective. In our front view here, okay, we're in the center, but in the top view we're not. So select your top plane, go to your modify panel. I didn't name it, so call it top, and we're going to slide that so that the center on this front view here is going to be aligned with that one. So we're just going to Alt and click and move that just a bit. So there, we got it right at the center. I might go just a bit. They're pretty far off, so that's all. Let's also select over here to unselect it, or just click in an open spot. Click it. There. Now you have nothing selected. Click the plane, move that down, and what we want to do is move that to the front of the ship, and now select the top one again, and let's move it up just a bit there. So now we're, oh, pardon me, this back view, or the front view, has to also get moved so that this line is even with this line. So do the height. There we go. And now our wheels are a little off, but don't worry about that. That's not a big deal. We'll address that when it comes to it. So click off at everything. Select the three whatevers, planes, and go to freeze selection. Okay, now I can't select it. Now we have this piece. Okay, I'm going to make it an even square. Just do whatever size you can to get a small square. Okay, now we are just going to go up on the Y, center it. Okay, look center. Right there, look center here. I'm going to right click, convert to edit poly. Wherever that is. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to go into my edge mode. I'm going to select this left edge here. I'm going to just drag it straight back and grab all of them. Put it down just a bit there. Okay, and turn J to do my selection brackets, G to get rid of my grids and all these views. Okay, so now we have that done. Let's go to your vertex mode and drag these straight back. Alright, now hit 2, select that edge there, shift drag it back, go to your top view, drag it over. I'm going to bring it in some actually too. I'm going to select these two middle guys and go like that. These two, hit J to turn your selection brackets off. Move these up a bit. There, now it looks damn near perfect. Now let's select these top ones, Alt select the bottom to deselect them, and I'm going to move them up to that spot. I'm going to shift drag, move some more up right there. They're about the same, good enough. Now select these two side guys by using Control, and then select and drag them back a bit. Go to your top view, go like that. Okay. Looking decent. I'm going to shift drag back some more. Or actually, we're going to go up. And I'm shift left clicking to drag these out. Okay. Now let's take that piece and select mirror up here. There's a copy right there. Move this copy down. It's just a piece to start with for the next piece. So go back to our original piece. Hit 2. Okay. Now let's shift drag up some more. Nope, belay that. If you select this top one and then shift click, it'll automatically loop it. So we got to go to our top view. Oops. No, we don't. So go to your left view, shift click out, and then go to your top view and bring it out a bit. Okay. Still looking decent. Now select your top ones. Now this is going to look pretty sloppy here, but we fix it, so don't worry about it. Like, that's the whole point. I'm going to do Alt-L to loop those this time. Alright, let's actually Control-Z and scoot these. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, now shift drag out again. Okay, I'm actually going to hit my 1 key, drag these 2 up just a bit. Alright, I'm going to do another Alt-L. I'm going to go to my top view. Okay. Let's select those guys again. Shift drag. Oops. Shift drag. Okay. Let's do these ones now. Actually, select those top. We'll grab those side ones. Sorry. Okay, so that's going to be our wide part. Let's go ahead and shift drag out again. And drag that in. And go ahead and select some of these top ones with Control. And make sure we're bringing it down a bit. Hit 2. Shift and drag. Control and then left click the vertex over here and you automatically select them. Alt select that one and bring it all the way back. Now I'm going to grab just these just these ones, just these 3, and move them over. I'm going to go ahead and grab all of this, and we'll grab that one too. And hit R for your scale tool. This will even them up. Now go to your move tool, move them up. Deselect those bottom 2. We'll fix that. Okay, now we're up to that point, and here we have 2 verts. Zoom in on them. Grab this one. Move it up and over there. Grab this one, and then oops, don't shift click it. Just Control Z, drag it straight over. Okay, now we should have 6 verts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Use your R tool or scale tool and drag it to like right there. Okay, and then there's our piece so far. Now let's go ahead in our front view. I gotta click on the text here on the right, and I go to transparency best, Alt X, J to get off my selection brackets. Now okay, looks like we're a little high there, but just leave it alone. Leave those. Now suck all these in a bit. Now alt click those, drag it in, alt click. Leave those there. Now deselect some of the bottom ones. Once again, this is rough, don't worry about it, it's going to turn out fine. So alt select a couple of those, go like that, chill out. It's actually a pretty hard shape to make, so okay, and then we can drag these down a bit. Okay, there we go. That's how we're looking so far for that. Obviously this piece can go in just a bit. Okay. You can go to your perspective. This one can obviously come up a bit. Okay, anyway. See, I'm doing it myself right now. You're just wasting time. We're not making something. So let's go drop a symmetry on it. Hit flip over here. Okay, there's our piece, kind of. Grab your mirror. You click the plus sign, go to mirror. Alright, I'm going to pause this and we're going to continue the next video.